Oh, so, like, what would it be like to be a comedian? Oh, man. I mean, probably the. Well, not probably. Arguably. Yeah, definitely. So, arguably the most terrifying. I don't know if terrifying is really the right word. Horrifying, dreadful, deceitful. Yeah, I don't know if deceitful is really. It doesn't even really fall into the category. I was trying to find like synonyms and think about things that other people think are funny, and all you do is say those things out loud. You have to be kind of an actor about it. Like you kind of have to get animated sometimes, or sometimes not the time to be animated. Sometimes just really deadpan. Just I mean, really a great comedian could say or do anything, and it'll work. Yeah, it'll work. Anything? Poop. Poop, 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 poop. Poop. Poop, 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 poop. Poo, poo. Poop. Poop, 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 poop. So this is how I practice. I take one word and I just, kind of morph it, kind of play with it, kind of see what's there in it, make it my own. Everyone thinks that words aren't their own because they didn't make them. Well, that's where you're wrong. This is where you just like, you find it. It's in you. You find it. It's there. I don't know, man. Dude, that was. That's what it's about, man. That's what it's about.